Welcome to Dragon Classroom. I'm Dragon. This lesson is about colors. Are you ready to learn with me? Red, 红色,红色,红色. This is how we write red in Chinese. Red is 红色,红色. Orange, 橙色,橙色,橙色. This is how we write orange in Chinese. Orange is 橙色,橙色. Yellow, 黄色,黄色,黄色. This is how we write yellow in Chinese. Yellow is 黄色,黄色. Green, 绿色,绿色,绿色. This is how we write green in Chinese. Green is 绿色,绿色. Blue, 蓝色,蓝色,蓝色. This is how we write blue in Chinese. Blue is 蓝色,蓝色. Pink, 粉红色,粉红色,粉红色. This is how we write pink in Chinese. Pink is 粉红色,粉红色. Purple, 紫色,紫色,紫色. This is how we write purple in Chinese. Purple is 紫色,紫色. Brown, 棕色,棕色,棕色. This is how we write brown in Chinese. Brown is 棕色,棕色. Black, 黑色,黑色,黑色. This is how we write black in Chinese. Black is 黑色,黑色. White, 白色,白色,白色. This is how we write white in Chinese. White is 白色,白色. We have learned all the colors. Are you ready for a game? Listen carefully. Find the matching color. 红色,红色,红色. Have you found it? 红色 is red. Very good. Get ready for the next one. 绿色,绿色,绿色. Find the matching color. Have you found it? 绿色 is green. Very good. Get ready for the next one. 紫色,紫色,紫色. Find the matching color. Have you found it? 紫色 is purple. Very good. Get ready for the next one. 棕色,棕色,棕色. Find the matching color. Have you found it? 棕色 is brown. Very good. Get ready for the next one. 黄色，黄色，黄色。Find the matching color. Have you found it? 黄色 is yellow. Very good. Get ready for the next one. 黑色，黑色，黑色。Find the matching color. Have you found it? 黑色 is black. Very good. Get ready for the next one. 粉红色，粉红色，粉红色。Find the matching color. Have you found it? 粉红色 is pink. Very good. Get ready for the next one. 橙色，橙色，橙色。Find the matching color. Have you found it? 橙色 is orange. Very good. Get ready for the next one. 白色，白色，白色。Find the matching color. Have you found it? 白色 is white. Very good. Get ready for the next one. Last question. 蓝色，蓝色，蓝色。Have you found it? 蓝色 is blue. Very good. That's all for the game. Here goes the bell. We have come to the end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Join me again. 谢谢. Thank you.